How to fix YouTube search bar not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First and the foremost and the quickest fix is simply open YouTube and then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then go ahead and force quit YouTube along with all the apps running in the background and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, then you can try to simply restart your iPhone, as a simple restart fixes temporary glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as search will not work if your connection is unstable. Also, you can try to enable airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds and then disable it again to give the network connection a fresh restart. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to YouTube and tap on it, and then tap on the offload app option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for YouTube and make sure the YouTube application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then go back to settings and tap on general and then on date and time. Here, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for set automatically if the toggle button for set automatically is disabled, as wrong time settings can break the search results. Also, make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services, as if you are connected to VPN, it might block your search request. So disable the VPN. And lastly, in settings again, tap on general and then on software update, and then go ahead and install the latest available update, as it is really important to update your iPhone to its latest version in order to be able to use all the apps perfectly and smoothly. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube search bar not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.